Hi, I'm David, the founder of Contractors Direct. So Contractors Direct is an online search platform where homeowners and company owners can connect direct to pre-qualified and vetted contractors for their project. Whether that's a villa renovation, an office renovation similar to this, a restaurant, retail store. You come to the platform, you put in your project criteria, and then we show you the short list of contractors that you should be speaking to. I have never really been a huge fan of the switchable glass because there was always this milky film when it was supposed to be transparent. And I've known Julian for a while, so Julian got in touch and he said, "Hey David, you've got to come down to the showroom. We've got this new product and it's 95% transparent." So, you know, seeing is believing, and I went down there and lo and behold, it looks fantastic. And so I said, "Hey, you know, can you put it in my office? This is the first switchable film that I've seen that I actually want." For us, it's important that we do have the privacy because we have one manager cabin. A lot of, sensitive information is discussed in there, not just verbally, but also on whiteboards. And also in the conference room, when we're having video calls, it's important that we give the clients, when we're on a video call, 100% of our attention. So being able to block any outside distraction is very important for us. I think it's really important, actually, because the good thing about switchable film is when you don't want to be disturbed, whether that's you're having focus time or whether you're having a private meeting, you get 100% privacy.